Hi sisters! Not James Charles here, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Hayden Robinson from Hayden Robinson Beauty, and those of you who don't know, this is Wheesearch. Welcome, we are so excited to have you here. And today I am going to be playing with the beautiful, the amazing Morphe X James Charles palette. Ah! Oh my god, literally, like, my 35B is sitting over there, like, I love her, but rip, rest in peace, because she is here. And look how beautiful this palette is. I mean, it is so stunning, and, like, the shades are so pretty. I'm obsessed. So today we will be diving into her. I've done my face already, but what I am missing is some glow, some shine. We're looking matte, we're looking winter flat. And we want to no longer be looking winter flat, so we're going to be taking the shade Face to highlight this face. I also have the brush set. That was so rude. I don't know if I can even forgive you. I'm taking the shade Face, and let's see what she does for us today. Oh. Okay, let's put a little more. Oh. Oh, well, okay then. Okay, so matte, so flat. Glowing for the gods. Oh, I'm here for that. That is so gorgeous. And it doesn't leave like a cast on my face. Oh. Okay, new favorite highlighter. So I've done one look with this palette so far. I did a red smoky eye with like a yellow lid because those were the colors that I wanted to test out first. But last night, I did accidentally dye my hair blue, and I haven't gotten to touch the blue shades yet, so I kinda wanna do blue, even though I know blues are notoriously not blendable. I know, but I feel we have to test them out. So that's what we're gonna do. So to begin, because James Charles recommended using eye primer, I did pick up the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC, which I have done a couple times now, just between looks using this palette and other palettes, and it actually has made a big difference, so I'm kind of here for it. I'm gonna take my Morphe M173 brush and really just pack her on. Oh, okay, maybe not. That was a lot. I'm gonna take the new Morphe M456 and go into the beautiful blue shade Brother. That is so pigmented. That is so gorgeous. I think that is easily one of the most gorgeous blue eyeshadows I have ever gotten to play with. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. I'm now going to dip into the darker shade Cola to deepen up the outer V using the M506 brush. I'm now going to go in with the shade Playground, this Gorgina George, just blue right here. These colors literally just scream at me. I'm gonna go on with a M441. That's so pretty. I don't think this is picking up on camera how absolutely gorgeous this is. I'm now gonna go in with a Morphe M224 and the Kat Von D Super Brow 24-Hour Pomade in the shade Whiteout to half cut this crease. I'm gonna use the shade Hello on the inner third of the lid.
Stunning!
Now that shade actually had a little bit of fallout, but it's okay because I just flicked it right off. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Cola just to make sure that this end is all blended out. Now, the shade that I originally put on at the beginning of my lid was this gorgeous, very blue shimmery shade called Hello, and I'm now going to go in with the shade, also a shimmer, called Acapella to put that on the other half of my lid. I'm gonna take the black shade called Spooky on the M154. It's the brow brush, but I just want to use the flat edge of it to give my eyes a little bit of a definition right along the lash line. It has a little bit of fallout, this shade Spooky. In honor of James, the iconic creator that made this amazing palette, I'm going to be popping on my very first pair of Lily Lashes Miamis. I cut these already just so that they could be sized for my eye. These are so gorgeous, like just the way that they sit. So pretty. So I'm like so excited to have these on for you. So just give me like 30 minutes and I'll have them on. It'll be perfect. Oh my God. These lashes went on so freaking easily. Sephora Collection Vivacious 34s, you are so out of my collection. Lily Lash Miami, you are the only lash now. Just gonna set my face in place with the Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection. They're literally the prettiest lashes I've ever worn. They're like wispy enough where you can see all the hard work I just put into my eyeshadow, but dramatic enough to where you can be like, oh, he got lashes on. I look at the viewfinder because I want you to be able to see the shadow. I mean, it just looks like my eyes are just nice and big and bright and lifted. Oh my gosh, I am really feeling myself. Well, Wheesearchers, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed me creating this beautiful, stunning, just blue, smoky, half-cut crease gorgeousness that I cannot stop staring at. Like, let's just all give Sister James a big round of applause for making this gorgeous palette right here. It is literally so good. I mean, look at me. Just look, this is evidence. If I can create looks like this, so can you. So definitely check out the Morphe x James Charles palette, and definitely also check out all of the other Wheesearch videos that we have on our channel, and go to Wheesearch.com to see all the Wee opinions to find the best makeup products for you, because you know, you'll see the perfect Wee opinion for the Morphe x James Charles palette, and you'll also see tons and tons and tons of other reviews, so definitely go check us out, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!
Hey Wheesearchers, what a great review by our in-house creator Hayden Robinson. And just so you know, you can start browsing products right here on our website. All you have to do is go to www.wheesearch.com and click on a category like eyeshadow and start browsing products that you love or discover new products. And if someone has tagged a product like this Blood Sugar palette review by Jeffree Star, you can watch it right here on our platform. And if you have any products that you would like to enter into our website, you can paste a link from Sephora or Amazon, or type in a product and start entering your Wee opinion today.